They told us the cosmos was silent, a void of cold stars and dying light. But what if that was the biggest lie ever told? What if space isn't empty, but alive? Tonight I want to share something that might just shift the way you look at the night sky forever. Something ancient, something sacred, something terrifyingly beautiful. And it starts with a question humanity has asked for thousands of years. Why are we here? The universe has always had secrets, from the moment we looked up and traced the stars into gods, to when we etched equations into chalkboards trying to map the void. But in all our searching, we missed something right in front of us. The universe is not indifferent. It's conscious, or at least it reacts. It shapes us as much as we shape our perception of it. A universe in motion, a species in denial. Look at the numbers. There are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Over 100 billion galaxies, each home to billions of stars. That's not just vast, that's impossibly intentional. Astrophysicist Carl Sagan once said, "We are a way for the cosmos to know itself." Think about that. What if every human thought, every act of love, every war, every poem, what if it's all been part of the universe learning, adjusting, growing? We're not spectators, we're participants in a dialogue that's been happening since time began. We're stardust, yes, but we're stardust trying to talk back. From silence to symphony. Here's the twist. Space isn't silent, it hums. NASA's Voyager spacecraft picked up plasma waves in interstellar space, transforming them into sound. And guess what? They aren't random. They sing like a cosmic whale song, rising and falling like breath. Could that be coincidence? And consider dark matter, the invisible scaffolding of the universe. It doesn't emit light, yet it holds galaxies together. We can't see it, but we know it's there. Isn't that a metaphor for belief, for purpose, for how we feel when we know something's out there but can't name it yet? The cosmos, in its infinite stillness, pulses with a language we haven't fully learned. It's like standing in a vast cathedral of stars, knowing there's a message in the stained glass if we'd only stop trying to smash it with logic. The echo of us. In ancient cultures, the stars were maps, not just to navigate the seas, but to navigate the soul. The Mayans, Egyptians, Aboriginal peoples, they all saw the heavens not as passive lights, but active forces in their lives. Were they wrong, or were they listening with a kind of wisdom we've forgotten? Einstein called it spooky action at a distance, quantum entanglement, two particles affecting each other across light years, a cosmic reminder that connection isn't bound by space, neither is purpose. We laugh now at astrology, call it pseudoscience, but pause for a second. Why does Venus rising feel different than Mars setting? Why do eclipses unsettle us deep in our bones? Maybe we're wired to respond to something bigger than us, something we've only begun to remember. This isn't science fiction. This is intuition. Imagine this. The universe isn't just a machine, it's a mirror. What we project into it, fear, wonder, curiosity, it reflects back in mysterious ways. Black holes might not just consume, they may transform. Comets may not just wander, they may warn. Maybe, just maybe, when we ask the cosmos a question, it doesn't answer in words, it answers in signs, coincidences, dreams, the sudden urge to look up and feel small but seen. So tonight, step outside, look up, not with your eyes, with your imagination, with your hunger to belong to something eternal. Because the cosmos isn't a place you go to, it's the place you've always been. If this made you think even for a second that there might be more to life than bills, routines, and deadlines, then I invite you to like this video and drop a comment below. What do you think the universe is trying to say to us? Let's build a space down here as rich and mysterious as the one above us. Because maybe, just maybe, we're not alone. We're just not listening hard enough.